How to set up an AI agent in Microsoft Copilot. First, open Microsoft 365 Copilot in your browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're inside Copilot, now describe what you want your AI agent to do. For example, type, "Create an AI customer support agent that answers common customer questions, provides product information, and helps users find solutions." Copilot will use your description to create the agent and generate its initial instructions. Next, review the agent's name, description, instructions, and knowledge sources. You can also select Skip to Configure if you want to manually configure these settings. You can add relevant knowledge sources so the agent has information to work with. Once you're happy with the setup, test your agent by asking it a few questions and checking its responses. If everything works correctly, you can share the agent with others, depending on your Microsoft 365 permissions and available features. That's it. You've successfully set up an AI agent in Microsoft Copilot. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials and productivity tips.